Choosing a hosting solution. When it comes to launching a website or an online business, finding the right hosting solution is crucial. A reliable and affordable hosting provider can make all the difference in ensuring your website is fast, secure, and always accessible to visitors. In this ultimate guide, we will explore the key factors to consider when choosing a hosting solution that fits your needs and budget. One of the first things to consider is the type of hosting you require. There are several options available, including shared hosting, virtual private servers, VPS, dedicated servers, and cloud hosting. Shared hosting is the most cost-effective option as it involves sharing server resources with other websites. VPS hosting offers more control and resources, while dedicated servers provide maximum performance and customization options. Cloud hosting is a scalable solution that allows you to pay only for the resources you use. To find an affordable hosting provider, it's important to compare prices and features offered by different companies. While cost is important, it's equally important to consider the reliability and reputation of the provider. Look for providers that offer a good balance between affordability and reliability, with a track record of excellent uptime and customer support. Another crucial aspect to consider is the level of customer support provided by the hosting company. A reliable hosting provider should offer 24/7 customer support with multiple channels of communication such as live chat, phone support, and email. Look for providers that have a reputation for quick response times and knowledgeable support staff. This is especially important if you are new to website hosting and may require assistance in setting up your website or troubleshooting any issues that arise. Security is another key factor to consider when choosing a hosting provider. Look for providers that offer robust security measures such as firewalls, malware scanning, and regular backups. A secure hosting environment ensures that your website and customer data are protected from potential threats. In addition to security, website speed is crucial for providing a positive user experience. Slow, loading websites can lead to high bounce rates and decreased conversions. Look for hosting providers that offer fast server speeds and employ caching technologies to optimize website performance. Additionally, consider providers that offer content delivery networks, CDNs, which help deliver your website's content to visitors at faster speeds by caching it on servers located closer to them. When considering an affordable hosting solution, it's also important to look for providers that offer scalable options. As your website grows, you may need to upgrade your hosting plan to accommodate increased traffic and resource demands. A hosting provider that offers scalable solutions allows you to easily upgrade or downgrade your plan as needed without any downtime or data loss. Lastly, consider the additional features and tools offered by the hosting provider. Look for providers that offer user-friendly control panels, one-click installations for popular website platforms, and easy integration with third-party applications and services. These features can greatly simplify the process of managing your website and adding functionality to it. In conclusion, finding an affordable and reliable hosting solution is crucial for the success of your website or online business. Consider the type of hosting you require, compare prices and features, and prioritize providers that offer excellent customer support, security measures, fast website speeds, scalability options, and useful features. By carefully evaluating your options and choosing the right hosting provider, you can ensure that your website is always accessible, secure, and optimized for success.